Ndugamano ya kiuteti iria igomeire thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza na makiria gikuruhania atongoria matiganite na munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Rigathi Gachagua ndiguthiraga yatira thutha wa Gachagua kunyururia miario ya mutongoria wa ringi bunge-ini Kimani Ichung'wa kiumia kihituku kuria mukuruhanirie na kuhura uteti wa icagi-ini handu-ini ha uteti wa kibururi kuringana na gikiro giake ta munini wa president.
Nataka ni mkinikubalia nirudi Nairobi nikae alafu niende kwa village. Unajua kila mtu wako mahali alitoka. So kila mtu wako na kwao. Hii Mombasa hii ni kiwanja ya kuja kutafuta riziki. Hii Nairobi tunaishi ni kiwanja ya kutafuta riziki. Lakini mwisho kabisa tunajua bahari utarudi.
Gachagua akoretwo muhari wa mbere kuhinyiriria bata wa kugia na urumwe gatagati ka atongoria na muingi wa gitaru gia gatagati wa bururi undu uria mucungiriirie gutungio regani munene ni atongoria angi thirikari-ini ari hamwe na President William Ruto othe makimukuruhania na kuhunjia uteti wa kinduriri uria ni muhituke ni mahinda.
Tuache madharau, tuache. Let's be simple people because it's good to be simple. And let's not pretend that we are what we are not. And nobody should ever feel embarrassed about your origin, your identity, and your language. Hizo vitu ulipatiwa na Mwenyezi Mungu bure without any application. And God never told you where to be born and among which people.
No iguru ria maya Gachagua ndaroneka gucenjia murugamo wake wa kuhinyiriria bata wa kurimira urumwe kuma gikiro kia matura na kwambata nginya gikiro gia bururi wothe umuthi akihinyiriria bata wa andu kuhimbiria kihumo kiria maumite handu-ini ha gukanirira.
I don't know why anybody would have a problem with where we all come from, because somebody comes from somewhere, and that is the truth. And everybody should be proud of your origin and your identity. And nobody should ever make you feel embarrassed about your origin and identity.
Rigathi akwaragio hindi ya kigomano kia ataramu a wendia wa dawa cia kurigita mirimu itiganite mwena wa gicua-ini kuria mathingatire guthaitira wira wao kumana na kuingirirwo ni turia nime aria maguraga marua ma ataramu aya na kwambiriria wendia wa dawa undu uria macokaga gwikuruhania na biacara cia ngungo na uguo kumathukiria ritwa na wira.
How would you, after spending those years all the way from primary to high school to university and getting a license to practice, and you give it to another character for some little money? I think it's very insulting to yourself. And that is how we have ruined our people. Because those are merchants. They don't care. They have no professional ethics. They will sell anything to anybody as long as they make money.
Ngirivotera Kameme TV, Jitagwo Mwaura, Wagunya.
Technology transfer.